mama up, aren't you, sweetie? Buster, you about to get it? You are? Well, hurry up, buckle mama up. You know daddy's driving. You know how dangerous that could be. I need to be buckled up. You got me buckled up yet? You ain't quite figured it out yet? I'm sorry. I don't think it's gonna work, baby. That's all right. He's still trying. He thinks he can figure it out if he tries hard enough. I don't think it's made for two to go in it, sweetie. Maybe if you twist it back around the other way. There you go. It's just not gonna work. That's okay. You can quit. As one little determined monkey.